Here is a wonderful 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, intermittent wipers. Escape to the calm, capable oasis of the Tahoe. Take it for a test drive.